Hello, and welcome to my channel. Let's start our ultimate Bali travel guide. Whether you are a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, we have got you covered with all the essential tips and tricks for an unforgettable Bali experience. Let's start with the essentials. Before jetting off to this tropical paradise, make sure you have your valid passport. Then, Indonesia visa. If required, I already made video about how to get visa for Indonesia. The next document is necessary vaccination certificate and travel insurance for the period. These are the building blocks for a worry-free journey. Now, let's talk packing. What should you bring to Bali? Lightweight clothing, a towel, beach towel, sun cream, sunglasses, a backpack for your adventures, comfortable shoes, slippers for the beach, a cap to shield yourself from the sun, and a refillable water bottle to stay hydrated in the tropical heat. With your bags packed and checklist ticked, the next thing is the best time to visit Bali. The best time to visit Bali is during the dry season, which typically runs from April to October. During this time, you'll enjoy sunny days, minimal rainfall, and perfect beach weather. However, if you prefer to avoid the crowds and snag better deals on accommodation and activities, consider visiting during the shoulder seasons of April to June or September to November. You'll still experience fantastic weather while encountering fewer tourists. Let's move on to booking your flight ticket. Whether you prefer to book directly through airline websites or use comparison platforms for the best deals, it is essential to book in advance to secure the most affordable fares. Google is the best option to compare the flight ticket. Let's see how to book it. First of all, go to google.com, then go to Google Travel. There, click the flight. After that, you can select the airports. Then, when you select the date, it will show you the prices. It will indicate in green the lowest prices. After selecting the travel dates, you can see the results showing prices and airlines. Normally, AirAsia gives the lowest price. Or else, you can filter your preferred airlines and search. Also, Google provides many features, like price drop alerts and price graphs. So, you can find the best price for your travel. Now, on to accommodation. Booking a hotel in Bali is a breeze with a plethora of options available, from luxurious resorts to budget-friendly guest houses. Utilize online booking platforms like Booking.com or Airbnb to find the perfect stay for your budget and preferences. I suggest you book your accommodation via Airbnb because you can find the best resorts and hotels with the lowest rates. Airbnb prices are cheaper than other booking websites in Bali. Once you have landed in Bali, getting around is a breeze. Taxis are readily available at the airport and throughout the island. Make sure to opt for reputable taxi companies or use ride-hailing apps like Grab and Gojek for convenience and transparency. For pre-booking like airport pickup and drop, you can book via Klook.com. They are giving very high-quality service and reasonable price. For exploring Bali at your own pace, renting a bike or car is the way to go. Numerous rental agencies offer a range of vehicles to suit your needs. On Bakago.com, you can pre-book a bike to rent it. Also, they have a variety of bikes and they will drop and pick up the bike at your hotel. However, you can rent a bike from your hotel as well. There are some motorbike renting shops where you can get rent bike for low price. But make sure to check the bike before renting it. Also, carefully check their policies on damage for the bike. To ride a motorbike in Bali, you should have your international driving license. It is illegal there to ride a bike without an international driving license. If you have a valid local license to ride a bike, you can get the international driving license instantly on internationaldriversassociation.com. They will send you the digital version, which is accepted in Bali. Planning to explore Bali's neighboring islands? Booking a boat service is easy, with numerous tour operators offering island hopping excursions and private boat charters. Book in advance for the best experience. You can reserve your seat on Klook.com with your flexible time. Staying connected while in Bali with a local SIM card. Purchase one from official stores upon arrival to enjoy affordable data and calls throughout your stay. You can purchase the local SIM at the airport. Telkomsel is the most popular, and they have the best tourist package for data and calls. Also, they are one of wide coverage in Bali. Lastly, money matters. While major credit cards are widely accepted, it's always handy to have some cash on hand. Exchange your currency at reputable money changers or banks for the best rates. The exchange rate is high at airports in Bali, even in Malaysia or Singapore. After getting out of the airport, you can exchange the money for a better rate in Bali. Use Google Maps to find out the nearby money exchangers and check their reviews as well. Importantly, always count your money when you receive it. Because the Indonesian currency rate is too low comparing the US dollar, you will get a large number of notes of money and you will be confused while counting. And there you have it. With our comprehensive Bali travel guide, you're all set to embark on an incredible adventure in the island of the gods. So pack your bags, book your ticket, and get ready to experience the magic of Bali. Until next time, happy travels. Subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and guides.